Shalom, my name is Michael Decker and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen, Decker, Pex and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss a subtopic within the general matter of inviting a foreign spouse into Israel, either as a married couple or as a known in public couple, via policy number 520008 or policy 520009. These policies basically deal with the naturalization of a foreign spouse to an Israeli spouse. At times, the Interior Ministry rejects applications as such due to criminal background of the Israeli. And our office received contacts in this regard, and we helped solve numerous cases like this. In this video, I wanted to basically explain that on the face of things, this claim on behalf of the Interior Ministry does not hold water, it is unreasonable, and even doesn't make any sense. Because the criminal codex in laws in the State of Israel does not include therein any sanction to any crime that involves the prevention of any criminal in Israel to marry and to enjoy a romantic relationship with the spouse of his or her choice. And therefore the Interior Ministry also, who doesn't even have any authority to convict anyone of a crime because they're an immigration office, they should not be able to punish an Israeli criminal or an Israeli person with any criminal background by preventing him the right to bring in a spouse from abroad and naturalizing the spouse in Israel and living with the spouse in Israel. When could, in theory, the Interior Ministry argue that the crime of the Israeli has some relevance to the application? When the nature of the crime could somehow logically affect the authenticity of the relationship. For example, our office dealt with a case where there was someone from Russia that immigrated a long time ago, and he was involved in human trafficking into Israel in prostitution. And he was indicted. He served in prison for a long time. He paid his debts to the community, and he changed. He became the changed person, and he found a regular job. He regretted what he did in his past, and he wanted to start a new life. And he met someone from Russia. He opened the joint life application, and the Interior Ministry rejected his application due to his criminal background. When we submitted the petition to court, the legal department of the Interior Ministry argued that the nature of his crime has an effect on the actual application because they don't believe him that he's inviting a spouse due to a real romantic relationship, but that he's a human trafficker still and that he wants to bring her for the purpose of human trafficking. We proved before the court that this is nonsense, that the relationship is real. We presented a lot of evidence and we won the case, and today, thankfully, this person who is a changed man is living with his spouse in the country. However, when the nature of the crime has no relevance to the authenticity of the relationship, then of course the claim of the Interior Ministry makes no sense, is illogical, and holds no water. And our office would be happy to help any person with a situation like this. So if you do have a situation as such, you can feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for your time.